First, I'm taking the Anastasia Dip Brow and Taupe, and I am just filling in her brows to give her a soft, asymmetrical. She already has look to her brow. She already has nice full brows. I'm just going to just fill in a little bit just to give them a nice asymmetrical look. Now I'm taking a concealer and I'm just carving out her brows to clean them up. Now I'm taking just a soft brown as a transition shade, and I'm just concentrating that in the crease, but I'm working my way and blending it up in the lid as well too. But mainly concentrating it in the outer corner to give some depth and dimension to her eye. So I took a soft brown. Now I'm going to take a little bit darker brown just to create some added depth. We just skipped the concealer part, so we just cut the crease on that eye, and now I'm adding a shimmer to the entire lid. This will help with the coverage of the glitter. You won't have to add as much glitter for this look. So I'm just placing that shimmer. I'm using the Carly Biodegradable palette. This is one of my favorite palettes to use. They are gorgeous colors. They're really easy to blend, and they have great pigmentation. So once I have that all covered onto the lid, I am next going to take the Orchid Pink. This is in our biodegradable line. It is in Ultra Fine, which is a 0.008. This is a cellulose-based glitter. All of these glitters are cosmetic use or cosmetic grade, but it can also be used for various art projects and other things as well too. So now I'm just placing this Orchid Pink into the outer corner and just working my way up to the center of her lid. And now I'm taking the Satin Gold Ultra Fine. These are pearlized metallic glitter. So I'm going to be placing this into the inner corner of her lid and working my way up towards the center to create a gradient look. So this is going to be a rose gold eye look. So I am patting that on. This just helps with the fallout of the glitter. As you know, glitter likes to go everywhere. So now I finished putting the foundation on and did her contour. Now I'm using the Satin Gold and applying that like a bronzer. The Ultra Fine goes on, is a the smallest size flake, and you can use this all over the body as a bronzer as well as an eyeshadow. Now I'm taking the Magic Mirror and I'm actually using this as her highlight. This is also in Ultra Fine. To finish the look, I'm taking the Orchid Pink and placing that on top of her lipstick for another gradient lip look, and just finishing up with some mascara, and she is all set with her bridal soft glam glitter look that is biodegradable. Thank you for watching.